And so when things like this happen, the park gets sued, which is owned by a small business owner, but they're just trying to comply with corporate. Corporate, Unleashed Brands, pushes all responsibility down onto the park, and anything else that they can't wash away gets filed away into secret arbitration. And you agree to secret arbitration when you sign your kid in at the park, when you sign those waivers. Because if you didn't know, almost every waiver you sign these days, whether you're going to the rock climbing gym or you're signing up for some swimming lesson or you're just buying a washing machine, almost all of those waivers include what's called an arbitration agreement. And that is where you agree to waive your rights to and instead agree to settle in arbitration, which is essentially secret court, where the judges are all for sale. We're going to get into arbitration way more in coming episodes, but suffice to say that it's a great way to cover up all sorts of nefarious stuff if you don't want the public to know. You might have noticed too that the woman in that video made purposeful note that the harness didn't seem to be put on correctly. And that's because these rides are not staffed correctly because A, Urban Air hires children under the age of 18, 16 and 17-year-olds. And you would think that you'd need a couple of them to staff these rides, but there's documentation that seems to show that, quote, Michael discussed reducing the number of attendants from 2 to 1 on the Skyrider attraction, stating that eliminating an employee from an attraction can save a park $10,000 per year.